when you're buying real estate, and this comes in my buyer's course when I'm talking to real estate buyers one-on-one on Zoom or over chat or whatever, wherever we happen to be talking, either face to face as well. I know it's crazy, but it happens. When we go through this, I explain to them how that process works, that whenever you're wanting to purchase real estate, not only do you want to get that mortgage amount, you also want to find out what that overall payment is, because the lender's going to tell you what that payment is to cover the mortgage. What else is there? Well, there's other things. You have home insurance that could be included. You have maybe mortgage insurance that might be included, PMI. You might have other items that are bound into this payment. Maybe there's special taxes in that area, maybe Melrose tax, something else, homeowners associations they talked about, maybe some other fees. Those could be hundreds of dollars a month. And besides utilities, don't forget utilities, the gas, the electricity, the water, utilities. You want to remember those. You're going to be having internet potentially. You're going to